We're back at Waterfall Falls. We're taking the wives because it's their first time. And it's just after a rainfall, so I'm hoping it's rushing pretty good. Yeah, it's flowing pretty good today. Wait till we get down here, make the turn. See if I can get the reactions on their faces. A little bit of water going. Yeah.
Wow. Is this more than the usual?
Oh, it's flowing much more than last time. Yeah, it's flowing good today. That's for sure. Watch my step because it's nice and slippery. Don't know if you can hear me with the water rushing. We're gonna head down and have a look at a couple other downstream. I know I've done video on them before, but there's a lot more water rushing right now. We'll go down from the other way and have a peek too. So nice with so much water running down. Alright, let's head in down further and see what we can find. That's cool how it wore away to rock over time. Looks like a little ways down to the bottom of that one. Oh, bum, bum.
We definitely didn't come here last time.
No, we didn't come down this far. Oh wow, that's another whole one.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, cool. Very cool. Yeah, we didn't see that. Oh, it's gonna be a long way down.
It is a long way down. The size of that tree.
Yep. There's multiple, I think 4 of them, which are 4 falls so far we found that were, you know, of size, not just little cascades. We're gonna go a little further and see what we can find. It's beautiful in here though. The girls are gone. Pew! They're off. Oh yeah, looks like it flattens out down here. Definitely got to hang a hammock here sometime. Did you get on your butt? Did a little slide, did you? Now this is beautiful down in here.
Yeah.
We got a little thing coming down over there. We got a small little stream coming down here. This is beautiful in here. Yeah, we've never been down this far. Oh, yeah, Nancy's going in. She promised to stay PG. She promised to stay PG this time and keep her clothes on.
Oh, it's cold.
Wow, that's nice in there. Well, that was nice. We explored a little further down than we did last time. Pretty cool with it rushing this much. But we're gonna go see if we can find another one for today. We'll be back in a bit. Just pulled up to the little community of Little Narrows. Used to be a store right here somewhere a long time ago. We're gonna go over the ferry. Oh, it's going to be a long way down.
It is a long way down. The size of that tree.
Yep. No, I never think of it because they... Yeah, it's a shame they throw things on the side, garbage and all that. Oh, she's rushing over there. We'll go over and have a peek at the little one first. Cool. Logan Glen Falls. Another one, Logan Glen Falls. I could stand here all day and watch that beautiful thing take pictures. She doesn't even know I'm watching her. There she is. We're going to climb up. Oh, put in the wrong spot there. Go up this way. I've just about whacked my head on that oddly shaped tree. Camera. Really nice picture. Erin got her big shoes on, out there climbing out to the edge. Oh, it's beautiful up there. Oh yeah, we got a well. Let's have a look in it. Timmy! Timmy! I don't think Timmy's in the well. That's another one. Logan Glen.
Logan's Glen.
Is that what this one is? Logan's Glen?
Yeah, that's not a lot different from what Kevin and Asta had down in Marguerite and Ernie.
Yeah, just dug at
because
the river.
it was next to the river originally, probably, and it got washed out, right?
So we will, I'll check my map and see if we can find something else that's close by like this. But beautiful little spot in here. Nice, easy one to get to.
You want somebody to go looking for abandoned houses, Nancy?
Okay, where's Nancy taking us now? Let's go up here and have a peek. Power line runs through here, just a big field. ATV trail up there, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like something's wrong.
And there.
Definitely a deer blind.
Yep.
Blind side of a great big knoll.
Wow, pretty up in here. Just pulled up to Salt Brook Falls. I don't know what the trail's like into it. We're going to find out. It doesn't look to be very far in. but I'll turn it back on a little bit. Are you ready? Let's go. We found the trail.
So put that on there.
Oh my God. Garbage everywhere as I go. I can definitely hear it. I don't know how far down we gotta go. It's getting louder. It's getting louder. Oh, there's a good little path beating away here. Oh, just knocked a bunch of rain on top of me from the trees. I'm gonna wait for the others. Oh, I can see some water through there. We're almost there. Well, that's all right. He's just making trail for the rest of them. I think he used his butt doing it though. Just like I did. It's a little slippery there. It's a little slippery. I better wait for them. I don't know if that's it there. Hang on, Nancy, before you slide down here. All right, this one's not huge, but we're here. Salt Brook Falls, another one off the list. We're just walking down further. I don't believe that was the actual falls that we were just at. I think they're down here further. So we'll truck along here a little bit and see if we can't find it. I'll be back in a minute. I have it mapped that this is the falls, but the other one seems bigger. It's okay, we're gonna run up here and have a quick peek, because it is very pretty. Oh yeah, there's like multiples. I'm gonna get a couple pictures. And I'm gonna head up. We're down in Bedeck now. We're gonna go get something to eat at the freight shed. Been here before, it's delicious. We're gonna sneak some video in here. It's a little quiet right now. A summer salad. Got watermelon on it. Got some scallops. What do we got over here?
Organic salad.
Organic salad.
Chowder.
Chowder.
Seafood linguine.
All looks delicious. Oh my God, look at the size of that Zodiac.
That's wicked. Little tiny little blow up Zodiac.
Well, at least the dog has a life jacket on. What? I don't know. It's cute, isn't it?
Oh wow. That's nice.
Oh, I got a
What?
picture with the pirate.
That is gorgeous.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah.
Where do you go down, Dee?
We just climbed over here right on the edge. We're at Gunbrook here. I'm not sure what it's called, Gunbrook Falls or Camp Carter. I've seen the name on both. Now, I went down here a couple weeks ago. I didn't have my camera or nothing with me. Went down with my parents, so I couldn't wait to come back. So we're gonna go down there. The trail's right over here. Here, let me go first.
Recording.
That might be slippery. I'm gonna catch Nancy sliding down. No, didn't do it. She didn't fall yet. I might, I'm going backwards. All right. This one here. She's a big girl. All right, I'm gonna help the others get down here, and then I'll turn this back on. I know. A lot more water down here than there was last time. How am I getting over? I might fall in here. Don't know yet. All right. Oh yes. Coming down a little bit there. I'm gonna go see if I can help some others over.
Were you there last time, Dee?
Here? No. Is there a cave? Oh yeah.
There might be already a people living in there.
It's pretty dark.
That was really neat.
Ah,
A little scary. No drops.
came out of there. Yep. Yep. Oh. A guardrail. I'm going to take a picture. Our little climber. We made it down. Yeah. Is it fun? It's a little wet. Your butt's a little wet. A lot of water coming down this time. Click, click, click. We're going to cross the road. Oh, we're across from the other falls, like just where the bridge is. We crossed over and we're going to venture up here a little bit. We decided to go up and around instead of getting our feet wet. You can kind of see it through the trees. You might not on the camera, but I can. We're gonna continue up here. There's a trail. Oh, now you can see it better. Well, we're getting there now. It's easy going. Should have had the camera on a minute ago. I went for a little boop on my arse. Now, here we are. Awesome. This is Gunbrook Falls or Camp Carter Falls. I'm not sure what name they use for it. So we just kind of stepped down into this a little bit. I don't know if you can see it with Erin's hair right there on her shoulder, but it's just blowing air out. This is what? This got to be 4 or 5 today.
Yeah.
All right, Nat, show us how deep it is. This is the last one.
Don't die.
Seen this little shelter or something. I'm assuming some kids made. It's almost like a teepee. Very beautiful down in here. And the bridge is only right there through the trees. We just climbed up to the top of it. We're going to try to get down to it. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. We're walking up a little further. I don't know if there's anything here. Looks like there's a beaten trail though. Looks like Pat's trying to see if there is. Wow, that's cool. And it's in our backyard. Well, that's it for today's adventure. We got through more spots than we expected. Stopped for lunch. Found some cool spots we could camp at. Until next time, please like and subscribe for future videos. And we're about to head out. Take care. See you again.